Hello, and welcome to the Finance Rebel Show. I'm your host, Kamari Ellis. The whole point of the Finance Rebel Show is to help Black people navigate the complex world of finance. Today, we're tackling the book, Personal Finance for Dummies. Don't let the title fool you. It's not for dummies. Many people can take advantage of it. This book demystifies complicated financial concepts, breaking them down into easy, manageable parts. Whether you're new to managing money or a seasoned old pro, there is something here for you. One of the first subjects this book covers is the B word. Yeah, you guessed it, budgeting and managing debt. Here it lays out the fundamentals of creating a budget, sticking to that budget, and effectively tackling any existing debt. Remember, financial discipline is key, and this book offers plenty of advice to help you cultivate it. Moving on, we're delving into the very misunderstood world of insurance. The book explains the nuances of health insurance, auto insurance, life insurance, homeowners insurance, in a very plain English, matter-of-fact way. It emphasizes the importance of proper coverage, helping you navigate these crucial decisions. Next up, the book's take on taxes, a topic that is very often confusing. It provides strategies to understand tax law, optimize deductions, and getting ready for tax season, which y'all know I hate. After reading this, you'll find the tax beast less intimidating. Now let's talk real estate. This book offers insights for home buyers and home sellers. It helps you make informed decisions, taking into account your overall financial health and overall market trends. Let's talk investing. This book covers various investment options like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, emphasizing the importance of portfolio diversification and understanding your risk tolerance. The book rounds off with an in-depth discussion on choosing a financial planner, using technology to manage your money, and how to navigate some of the hardest life's obstacles, like aging parents, death, divorce, or selling a home. Here's the thing, Personal Finance for Dummies is more than just a book. It's a tool that makes finances accessible and empowers you to take control of your financial journey. I encourage you to pick up a copy today, digest it, and most importantly, apply it. It's worth an addition to your personal finance library. If you found this book review helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this on the Finance Rebel Show. Now, before I let you go, I want to share Eric Tyson, who's the author of Personal Finance for Dummies, 11 Keys to Personal Finance Success. Number 1, take charge of your finances. Procrastination is detrimental to your long-term financial health. Don't wait for a crisis or major life event to get your act together. Read the book and start implementing a plan now. Number 2, don't buy consumer items, cars, clothing, and so on, that lose value over time on credit. Use debt only to make investments in things that gain value, such as real estate, a business, or an education. Use credit cards for convenience only, not to carry debt. If you tend to run up your credit cards, you may want to stop using them and use cash, checks. I don't know anybody who uses checks anymore, but checks and the good old debit card. Now this one should be number 1, but it's number 4. Live within your means and don't try to keep up with your coworkers, neighbors, or peers. Or what I like to say, keep up with the Joneses. Many who engage in conspicuous consumption are borrowing against their future. Some end up bankrupt. Number 5, save and invest at least 10 to 20% of your income. Preferably invest through a retirement savings account to reduce your taxes and ensure your future financial independence. Number 6, understand and use your employee benefits. If you're self-employed, find the best investment and insurance options available to you and use them. Number 7, research before you buy. Never purchase a financial product or service on the basis of an advertisement or salesperson's solicitation. Number 8, avoid financial products that carry high commissions and expenses. Companies that sell their products through aggressive sales techniques generally have the worst financial products and the highest fees and commissions. Number 9, don't purchase any financial products that you don't understand. I'm gonna read that again. Don't purchase any financial products that you do not understand. Ask questions and compare what you're being offered to what you can get from the best resources, which are recommended in this book. Number 10, invest the majority of your long-term money in ownership vehicles that have appreciation potential, such as stock, real estate, and your own business. When you invest in bonds or bank accounts, You're simply lending your money to others, and the return you earn probably won't keep up with inflation and taxes. Last one, avoid making emotionally based financial decisions. For example, investors who panic and sell their stock holdings after a major market correction usually miss a buying opportunity. Be especially careful in making important financial decisions after a major life change, such as a divorce. You'll probably be all emotional. Job loss or death in the family. There you have it, folks. Personal Finance for Dummies is indeed a treasure trove of practical, easy to understand advice that anybody can benefit from, whether you're just starting your journey or looking to enhance your financial knowledge. This book is a must read. Remember, taking control of your finances is the first step to financial freedom. Stay tuned for more book reviews and financial tips. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until then, this is Kamari Ellis signing off. See you next time.